I am Rosemary Apio. Specifically, I advocate for better health among women, mostly ages 18 and above. I will be creating awareness about a health issue that is affecting lives and ways on how to prevent it. A couple of months ago, I met with my old friend Joy and we talked about our lives, but mostly our families. I asked her about her sister Loy, but she seemed not interested in sharing any information about her. As we continued to talk, Joy said, Loy is now 22 years, but giving me more stress. She can eat all the time and doesn't help with the chores. I hate it when she complains of being tired all the time, without her even doing anything. Joy laughed and then said, I like it when she runs to the toilet to urinate every time. I told Joy, your sister might need medical help, instead of laughing at her because it might be diabetes. Diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is too high. Signs and symptoms of diabetes vary according to the type, but there are early signs of diabetes. For example, hunger, fatigue, urinating more often, being more thirsty, slow healing cuts, and decreased vision. I will tell you of women who have tried to create a change with just doing the basics. A circle of 10 ladies enjoyed spending time together. As they grew up, they ended up setting goals on how to prevent diabetes because they had gained some knowledge about it and noticed how their lives were turning out to be. They began with managing diet, exercising, and then weight control. As a result, they achieved improved health. Your family needs you. It takes a step to create change in your life. Start now to exercise and maintain a healthy diet, and it will pay off. Thanks for listening today. Start with including vegetables and fruits in your diet and pick up a sport to keep being active.